If you've got an exam coming up, these are the 4 most important things I need you to do. And this is taken from when I used to play professional tennis. The night before a competition or a match, I would just go over every scenario in my head, every possible reality. I'd almost visualize me panicking. I'd visualize me getting all the questions wrong, talking in tennis context, someone beating me, someone just throwing me off my game. And the reason I do that is if I can get to a point where every single scenario in my mind I have addressed, nothing's going to surprise me on the day. Then I would really portray how I'm going to play. And you can do that. You can see yourself walking in. You can see yourself nailing every question. You can see yourself having time at the end of the exam to check all of your work. All of the key, what I call touch points that could hinder your progress on the day. Now, if you can begin to train your brain to be able to start to see yourself succeeding in that exam, when you get in there, it's going to feel like you've done it already. That's number 1. 2, 3, and 4, have a pre-exam routine, have a during exam routine, and have a post-exam reflection routine. Because it's not just one exam. You're doing your GCSEs, you can have 23 exams in the space of 4 to 5 weeks. Master those 4 things and you'll crush your exams.